Here are over 45 home quarantine video ideas to make on YouTube right now. I spent days searching through over 1,000 SEO or search engine optimized titles, keyword combinations, which basically means that they have the lowest possible competition and highest possible searches. So if you don't know what that means, don't worry, because I am just going to be sharing the scores from 70 all the way to 100. Since I am self-quarantining at home, I am so grateful to my sponsor today, which is Storyblocks. Thank you to Storyblocks because I have been using them for over a year, and that is why I accepted this sponsorship and would love to share with you why I love them and how I use them. You'll find clips in 4K, HD, whatever you need, royalty-free stock video clips. You have After Effects templates, transitions, lower thirds, text, all sorts of sound effects, anything you can imagine, all in one place. I have the unlimited subscription, and it is such an easy, helpful way to constantly have something to make my videos pop even more. So thank you so much to Storyblocks for supporting me and this channel. If you want to support me, please click the link down below, check it out, try it out. I think you will love it as much as I do and save money in the long term. Okay, let's get into the video. How to clean a dishwasher filter got a score of 71. I have learned so much about my dishwasher recently because I barely ever go outside now. It's all groceries, all cooking, all the time. And yeah, did you know there was a filter? Insert B-roll of it, because I didn't know there was a filter until recently. And you're supposed to clean it out with all the food gunk. Who knew? I didn't know that. You're welcome. Bullet Journal Plan With Me 2020 has a score of 71. Date Ideas While Quarantine has a score of 72. Sneaker Collection Men has a score of 73. And by the way, it's not, one side or the other. Men just happen to pop up as something that people are searching for. So feel free to customize this to your liking, your custom, whatever. Feel free to type in and find the best optimized title that best matches your expertise. Another stimulus check coming soon has a score of 75. How I Edit My Photos in Lightroom Mobile has a score of 75 as well. A lot of these how to edit different variations came up. There are some more coming up soon too. Trying Everything in My Closet 2020 has a score of 76. How to Make Face Mask Cloth Without Sewing Machine has a score of 76. Road Trip Snacks Haul has a score of 76. So if you're on a road trip and you are gonna buy a bunch of snacks, go ahead, film that haul, because who knew that's something that people search for. I did not know that. Comfortable Gaming Chair Cheap has a score of 77. Is It Safe to Travel by Train has a score of 77. How to Clean Basement has a score of 78. Photoshoot Challenge at Home has a score of 79. Best Budget YouTube Equipment 2020 has a score of 79. Small Garage Makeover has a score of 79. Quarantine Day in My Life video has a score of 80. Moving Out Vlog 2020 has a score of 80. Bad Clothing Haul has a score of 80. Inspired by worst quarantine purchases, a video that I saw, and a lot of brands that might have the word bad in it. That does really well. How to Organize Your Phone Aesthetic got a score of 80. Best Apps for Productivity iPhone got a score of 80. My Fine Jewelry Collection 2020 got a score of 80. Car Tour 2020 Jeep got a score of 80. Birthday Outfit Ideas 2020 got a score of 81. What's in My Makeup Bag 2020 got a score of 81. Tiny Apartment Tour 2020 got a score of 82. Best Budget Camera for YouTube and Photography got a score of 82. How to Plan YouTube Video Content got a score of 82. Disney Plus 2020 Releases got a score of 82. How Much Should I Have Saved for Retirement got a score of 82. Online Shopping Try-On Haul 2020 got a score of 83. Top 10 Cheapest Online Shopping Websites got a score of 83. Quarantine Workouts Without Equipment got a score of 83. Phone Case DIY for Boys got a score of 83. How to Start a Side Hustle Business got a score of 83. Road Trip Vlog Family got a score of 84. Quarantine Songs 2020 Clean got a score of 84. Bathroom Makeover on a Budget Rental got a score of 84. Work From Home Setup 2020 got a score of 84. How to Backup Computer to Flash Drive got a score of 85. How to Get TikTok Famous Fast in 2020 got a score of 85. Start Your YouTube Channel 2020 got a score of 85. I will actually be doing that video very soon, so stay tuned. Interior Design Ideas for a Small House got a score of 86. Body Transformation Women Before and After got a score of 86. How to Make a Thumbnail for YouTube Videos on iPhone got a score of 86. How to get along with my brother, got a score of 87. How to make money in the stock market right now, got a score of 87. Work from home jobs for teens, got a score of 89. When will school reopen 2020, California, got a score of 89. I also tried other different places and just school reopen in general, and California was one that people were really interested in and really searching, and there was not a lot of competition. Okay, the last two. So, home workout for men got a score of 93. And last but not least, drum roll, and insert the B-roll of the drum roll. Coming in with a score of 100 is buying a house for the first time. This is actually something I've even recently thought about as an option, because why not? We pay so much in rent every single month here in New York. I've actually started thinking, if I were to settle, where would I settle? Which area would I create roots in? And I don't know, I probably have a lot more time to think about it, but it's something, as the mortgage rates are so low, younger people are starting to think about. So I think that's really cool, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, and if you use one of these video ideas, please let me know. Send me the link. I can't wait to watch it, like it, comment on it, and share the love. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please check out the link down below for Storyblocks. I really appreciate them supporting me and this channel. If you want to support me and this channel, please click the link down below. Check it out, Storyblocks. I think they are such an important tool to always have when you're editing your videos and you're looking for anything from the, high-res 4K HD stock footage, After Effects templates, lower thirds, text, transitions, all these things. If you really want to advance your editing and have fun while you're doing it and save yourself time in the long run and money, I got you. Please click the link down below. I'm excited to be sharing more videos about YouTube and the process, so comment down below what you want to learn next, and I will see you in the next one.